Welcome everyone to the sample pack. Now by this stage you should have got your little sample pack, and it will be on a card like this, and it'll have your 5 samples on it for you to use. Now I just want to go through a couple of things before we start, so that when you begin with your peppermint and using one each day, you'll have an idea. So you unscrew them, which I have already done for you, like with the card. I carry mine around in a little pouch like this, so I have my sample pack that I take with me easy on a keychain, easy to put into a bag. Now, what you need to know is it is very different to using normal bottles. Normal bottles, you would just hold them like that and watch the drop come out. This won't happen. Doesn't matter how long you hold it. And what you have to do is you have to tap the bottom. Now you might be able to see a drop come out of this when I do that, and that's half a drop. So half a drop comes out with each tap. So that's a way to regulate, great for cooking if you're using those little sample packs, so that you don't overdo it, because you can use these oils. So just a little bit of safety. These oils you can diffuse into the air, you can put on your skin, and you can ingest. Now that doesn't mean all of them, and that doesn't mean that I'm speaking about every brand of essential oils. I'm educating you on doTERRA essential oils because that's what I've been using for the nearly 8 years now, and I absolutely love how they're sourced, why they're sourced, that it's a pure essential oil in it, and I'll give you more explanation on that as we go through. But most of all, just know that it doesn't mean you open up and just use it directly. I will be showing you how to use each oil each day, because some of them need to be put in what's called a carrier oil. A carrier oil doesn't dilute it or make it weaker. It actually just carries it faster through your skin into your body. So that's why it's called a carrier oil. I use fractionated coconut oil. You can get that in many sources. I use the doTERRA one purely because I'm using the brand, and the doTERRA carrier oil that I put it in is fractionated coconut, which means that it doesn't go solid. I can put it in roll-ons. I can put it on my skin. It's not greasy because it's had the fat removed in a healthy way. You can look that up on the internet and how they remove it to know more. So tomorrow I'm really excited to get started. Each day I'll have a little video, get out your peppermint for the first day. This is how you use it, and then let me know how you use it or any questions. I'll also send you little tips during the day just to remind you with your peppermint, and then your lemon, then your lavender, so that you can have fun trialing these oils. So let's begin.